still practicing his crashes. Back again with David Higgins. And you know what they say, practice makes perfect. Another near miss coming up, but nothing will prepare him for what's ahead. Next up, the stuff of nightmares. This tractor is heading along a rally stage and a car is on its way. We ride with David Higgins, totally unaware that there's another vehicle on the road. As he rounds the bend,
all the years riding, never seen anything like it. Came over a flat out crest in 5th gear, and the JCB coming towards with its bucket down and spikes on the front, and we had to swerve down the ditch.